Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the State Street Bank application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. And once you open it up, just tap on the search box and then type in State Street Bank and start your search. Once you find the State Street Bank application, tap on it and you will see the install button. Just tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the State Street Bank application on your smartphone. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and then when you see the open button, you can tap on it to open up the application right away. And once you open up the app, you can continue with signing up to create your new account or log into your existing account to start using the State Street Bank application right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the State Street application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.